Nest cams not turning on is a common issue that many users experience. This problem often stems from power supply issues that prevent the camera from receiving the electricity it needs to function. Most issues are power related, so let's explore the main causes. One common cause is insufficient voltage from the charger. The camera requires a specific power adapter to work properly. For battery-powered models, extreme temperatures can drain or damage the battery, preventing the camera from turning on. Faulty or incompatible USB-C cables can also cause power delivery problems. To start troubleshooting, check the charger, cable, and battery for any issues. First, ensure you're using the correct Google-certified adapter, typically a 5-volt or 2-amp charger. Incompatible chargers can underpower the cam. Check the USB-C cable for damage or wear. Try a different outlet to rule out electrical issues. For battery-powered models, verify the battery is properly seated and charged. Using a non-approved charger is a common problem. Software troubleshooting via the Google Home app is a key step in resolving Nest Cam power issues. The app includes built-in diagnostic tools to identify and fix common problems. First, open the Google Home app on your smartphone. This is the central hub for managing all your Nest devices. Next, select your Nest Cam from the list of devices in the app. This will bring up the specific controls for that camera. Look for the troubleshooter or diagnostic options in the device settings. This tool will automatically check your camera's status. The troubleshooter checks for firmware updates, Wi-Fi connectivity issues, and potential hardware faults that might prevent the camera from turning on. Based on the diagnosis, the app may suggest fixes like restarting the camera or updating its software to resolve software-related issues. Finally, update the camera's firmware through the app. Installing the latest updates can fix many common software issues that cause power problems. If software troubleshooting fails, try a hard reset. This can resolve issues when the camera is frozen or unresponsive. For most Nest cams, locate the power or reset button on the device. Press and hold the button for about 5 seconds. This clears glitches and may erase your settings, so you'll need to set up the cam again through the Google Home app. If the camera remains frozen or unresponsive after this, additional troubleshooting may be needed. For battery-powered Nest Cam models like the outdoor camera, battery degradation is a common cause of the camera not turning on. These batteries typically degrade over time, usually lasting about 2 to 3 years before they fail and need replacement. If your Nest Cam is older than 2 to 3 years, the battery may be the culprit. Over time, the battery's capacity decreases, leading to failure to power on. Look for visible signs of battery damage, such as swelling or other physical issues that indicate the battery has degraded and needs replacement. Google now offers official replacement batteries for their Nest Cam models. You can also find compatible third-party battery options that work with these cameras. Firmware updates are crucial for keeping your Google Nest Cam functioning properly. Google regularly releases updates that fix bugs and improve performance, including those related to power issues. Regular firmware updates from Google address various issues, including power-related glitches that might prevent your camera from turning on. For example, firmware version 6.4.1, released in late 2025, specifically addressed some power glitches. To stay informed about known issues, check the Google Nest community forums. Here, users and Google support share workarounds for common problems, including power failures. Additionally, visit the manufacturer's website to review current known issues and available fixes. This ensures you're aware of any ongoing problems that might affect your Nest Cam's power functionality. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue with your Google Nest Cam not turning on, it's time to reach out to Google support. They can offer advanced diagnostics and may provide warranty replacements for eligible devices. If your camera is several years old and experiencing repeated problems, consider upgrading to a newer model that features improved battery technology and enhanced reliability. As a last resort, consult a professional technician who can perform deeper hardware inspections and repairs.